Okay, we're on section 5.6 and we're talking about confidence intervals. So that's page 267. So we're doing an example. A telephone survey of 600 randomly selected people was conducted. The survey determined that 76% of people between ages 18 and 34 have social networking account. The results are accurate within a plus or minus 4% points, 19 times out of 20. So the margin of error in this would be the plus or minus 4%. Okay, so if we were looking at the confidence interval is 76% plus 4% gives you 80%, and 76% subtract 4% gives you 72%. So between 72 to 80% is your confidence interval. At what level is this? Well, since it's 19 out of 20, if you go 19 divided by 20, that is 25%. That is your confidence level. So 72 to 80% with a confidence level of 95% is of people that have social media accounts between the years of 18 to 34. Okay, we're looking at the population of 92,500. That's a population of 18 to 34-year-olds. So if we take the 92,500 and we multiply that by our percent of people that have social media sites, you will get 70,300. Again, you'll take the population and you'll times it by our percent error, which is 4%, and you'll get 3,700. So what we need to do is we're going to take the 76% of our population and subtract it from our margin of error and add it to our margin of error. We will get 74,000, and we will also get 66,600. Okay, so what that is saying is between 66,600 and 74,000 people, though that amount of people have social networking sites, 95% confident. Okay, so between 66,600 people to 74,000 people, those are the people that have social networking sites.